Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. This exercise is also based on the multi-field formula tool which we are having in the preparation time. So the objective of this exercise is how to display the total by using the multi-field formula. So if there will be two columns numeric data and we want to display the total by adding the two columns, so we can display it with the help of multi-field formula. For this, we have to input a data with the help of input data tool. I'll drag it in the new workflow. I'll connect it with the file. It will redirect us to the data connection window. Now I'll click on the file, select file. I'll go to the option. I'll select the file name as sample sales data. Click on open. Now it will ask me to select a sheet from this particular file. So I'll select a sheet. Yeah. Now I'll select the file which is named as this 50 orders. I'll select this. Click on OK. The preview is going to be available on this particular side. In the configuration window, the preview is available. Now we have to click on the run button so that the result workflow will be available to us. So over here we can see this particular sales, quantity, discount, profit. So I will add this sales column as well as this profit, and I will display it in the new field. Go to this particular preparation tab, drag this multi-field formula tool, the canvas, connect it with the input data. So in the configuration pane, the numeric fields are going to be available. So what I will do, if you want to display it in a new field, so you have to click on this particular checkbox, copy output field and add new underscore as a prefix. So new column which will be added, so that will be taken as prefix. So I'll just double click on this original fields. I will go to this particular sales, double click it, plus profit. So I'll write the name as total value. I'll just click on run. Okay. Over here we can see that it is giving an error. So we have to select any of the fields whichever we want. So it will be represented by a new field or new column named as total value. We have to select sales or we can select any of the profit. So as we have taken over here in the expression sales plus profit, and it will be represented by total value sales. So I'll just click on run. Now it's correct. So over here we can see the data. Total value sales. So sales plus profit is being added, 261.96 plus 41.9136. So it will be around 303. 731 plus 219, 951. Likewise 14.62 plus 6.81, 21. 957 plus minus 383. So likewise these fields we have added, and in this way we can do. So I hope you have understood this particular video. Thanks for watching.